Hey guys, welcome to Finn's Family Farm. My name is Micah, and I'm out here hanging out with the dogs right now. You got Klaus, a Malamute. Of course, y'all know Finn. So I'm out here hanging out with them for a little bit, and then I got to come over and feed the chickens and get their eggs, and start working on the 1948 8N. Finish doing some work to it. I went ahead and bought the new spotlights, so I got to put new spotlights on there on the back. And I need to change oil. I haven't done that yet. I went and bought a new filter for it, and a buddy of mine down the road has the oil for it, so I have to go get it from him. But other than that, the 8N's coming along, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo the electrical system on it, and redo the 12 volt and put a new alternator on there, and see what happens. But that's Klaus. He's chilling, walking around, having a good old time. So hang tight, and we'll get to work. Classy. Classy. Oh, he's gonna go use the bathroom. So we're gonna go over here, guys, and we're gonna go right there where my chickens are at, and let's go from there. We need to feed them. Don't know if you could hear them, but we need to feed them. So let's go get in here and get their feed, which is in a trash can in here, but it's feed. Right there. Scratch grain. That's what this is. They love it. It's got all kinds of seeds and corn. Now, sorry guys, but look how he's just sitting there being all handsome. You a handsome boy? He's just sitting there. Probably wanting to go back inside and be with his mama. So let me turn this camera around real quick and you can see the birds. There they are. I still got some winter stuff in there because it got really cold last week down in the 20s. And that's why that plastic is right there, because I had it all up, but the storm that we just had knocked it down. And all the wind that we had knocked it all down. Y'all see my garden out there. That storm damaged my garden too, so I gotta redo it. Come on, girls, y'all ready? They just eating away. They love it. They like eating it. While I'm in here, I need to do some checking around. I need to check inside their coops and their waters. I need to clean those. But I'm gonna check in here real quick. Yeah, you see some eggs right there, and right there I need to get that they've laid. And their stand that I need to clean. But yep, this is my girls. I'm gonna get some more, along with some turkeys and quail. Yep, that's all of them. All right, well, let's get busy with the tractor. The 8N, guys. A little 8N. Now we need to take off this old spotlight because I got a new one. So let me raise this camera up some. There you go. So I need to take this one off, and I need to get the new one put on. Yep, that's what you gotta do, guys. So we're just gonna undo this nut up here. That way the whole thing comes out, and I'm not gonna use it. I bought a new one. I wanted something a little brighter. This wasn't bright enough. Yeah, this one wasn't bright enough, so I decided to get a brighter one. So I bought another LED light. That way it matches the headlights. And that way everything is bright, so she can see everything when she drives it. But she can't drive it right now because of her foot. This one, trash. Alright, so let's see if we can get this bracket on here. Guys, I do apologize for the sun. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll try moving y'all right there. I don't know if I can get this wrench in there or not. We'll find out. You know what I need to do? I forgot to get that washer. I need to go get my magnet. That washer slid behind right here. Neat little tool, a magnet. You can stick it to wherever you want to stick it to. It'll stay. Alright, let's try this again, guys. Bracket, washer, locking ring nut. I'm talking locking ring washer, I'm sorry. And now the nut that you get to try and use one finger on. Sorry guys, if you can't see. Yeah, right there. It's a little difficult, but there's the nut right there. Then I've got to tighten to keep that bracket on. So let's do that. So I probably want to angle it a little down that way. There's that. Can y'all see, guys? Yeah, so the nuts are right in here. This is the bracket. Let's go spit a light. It was like last week, it was all in the 20s. And sometimes it didn't get above freezing. And now this week it's in the 60s to lower 70s. That's what happens when you live here. That's the Florida weather, I guess. All right, so we're gonna do washer, locking washer. Oops, that's why I got this, guys. I gotta bend over. Sorry if you hear my neighbors. Who knew that washer's not metal? So, strange. So hey, I got it though. So let's do this again. Some washers. Alright. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to get in your way. I'm trying to stay out of y'all's way. Sometimes it's just hard to do. I need to go get another tool so I can help tighten this. We're gonna put that there to hold it. Sorry, I got a bug in my eye. I won't leave my eye alone. Sometimes you wish you had 3 hands. All right, there we go. Now it's tight. I'll have to readjust it once I get it all hooked up. See where I want it to shine. Right now, this is on there. I gotta finish running the wires. So I'm also gonna add a flasher on both sides and a tail light. But I'm probably gonna do that later. So, all right, let's get started wiring. So guys, I got the lights all going now. There's the spotlight. Of course, you see my headlights. Hey guys, so you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button. That way you get notified when we make our videos. And this is Finn. Y'all have a good day.